In a small village, there lived a boy named Ahmed. From childhood, Ahmed wanted to become a doctor. He saw many sick people in his village who could not afford proper treatment. Some people had to travel far away to meet a doctor, while others suffered silently because they had no money. Ahmed often told his mother, "One day, I will become a doctor and help poor people." His mother smiled and said, "If you work hard and stay honest, Allah will help you achieve your dream." Ahmed studied day and night, while other children played outside. He spent hours reading books. Sometimes he became tired, but he never gave up. He knew that success comes through patience and hard work. After many years of study, Ahmed entered medical college. Life there was not easy. He had long classes, difficult exams, and sleepless nights. Sometimes he felt stressed and exhausted. One night, after studying for hours, Ahmed looked at his books and thought, "Can I really do this?" Then he remembered the poor people in his village. He remembered the promise he had made to himself. That thought gave him strength. During his training at the hospital, Ahmed saw many patients suffering from pain and fear. Some patients recovered, while others did not survive. These moments taught him that a doctor's life is full of responsibility, sacrifice, and compassion. Years later, Ahmed finally became a doctor. He returned to his village and opened a small clinic. Every day, people came to him for treatment. One cold evening, an old farmer arrived at the clinic with his sick daughter. The farmer had very little money and said sadly, "Dr. Sahib, I cannot pay much, but please save my daughter." Ahmed smiled gently and replied, "Your daughter's health is more important than money." Ahmed treated the little girl carefully. After a few days, she recovered completely. The farmer's eyes filled with tears of gratitude. From that day, Ahmed became known as the doctor who cared more about people than wealth. As time passed, Ahmed became respected everywhere. Many hospitals offered him high-paying jobs in big cities, but he chose to stay in his village and serve humanity. One day, a young student asked him, "Dr. Ahmed, what is the secret of your success?" Ahmed replied, "Success is not only about earning money or becoming famous. Real success is helping others, staying kind, and never giving up during difficult times." The student never forgot those words. One rainy night, the village was hit by a dangerous disease. Many people became sick within a few days. The small clinic was full of patients, and fear spread everywhere. Some doctors from nearby towns were afraid to visit the village because the disease was spreading quickly. But Ahmed refused to leave his patients alone. For many days, he worked without proper rest. He checked patients one by one, gave medicines, and comforted worried families. Sometimes he stayed awake the entire night helping those in critical condition. Ahmed's assistant said, "Dr. Sahib, you are too tired. Please take some rest." Ahmed smiled weakly and replied, "How can I rest while my people are suffering?" One afternoon, Ahmed noticed a little boy sitting alone outside the clinic. The boy looked frightened. Ahmed gently asked, "Why are you sitting here alone?" The boy replied, "My mother is sick inside, and I am scared." Ahmed placed his hand on the boy's shoulder and said, "Do not worry. I will do my best to help her." Those simple words gave the boy hope. After several days of treatment, many patients started recovering. Slowly, the disease came under control. The villagers were thankful for Ahmed's courage and dedication. A few months later, government officials visited the village. They had heard about Ahmed's hard work during the difficult time. At a public gathering, one officer announced Dr. Ahmed risked his own life to save others. His service is an example for everyone. The entire village clapped with pride. Ahmed stood quietly and said, "I only did my duty as a doctor." Years later, many young students from the village became inspired by Ahmed. Some wanted to become doctors, while others wanted to serve society in different ways. Ahmed often told them, "Knowledge becomes valuable only when it is used to help others. Never forget humanity, no matter how successful you become." His words continue to inspire people for generations.